Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the tart base. Grate 1 raw mango and place it in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon jaggery and 1 tsp tamarind paste to balance sourness and sweetness, then sprinkle a pinch of salt. This contrast defines Ugadi Pachadi. Mix vigorously so jaggery dissolves and tamarind integrates. Why? Because even distribution creates the signature flavor layers. Once mixed, taste for sweet-sour balance and adjust slightly. Make sure the texture stays coarse, not pulpy, to preserve mouthfeel. You continue by introducing bitter, spicy, and crunchy elements deliberately. Add neem flowers 1 small spoon at a time. The bitterness should be present but not overwhelming, so you can correct it with jaggery if needed. Then stir in 1 tsp roasted cumin and 1/2 tsp freshly ground black pepper to add warmth and depth. These spices lift the palate. Fold in roasted peanuts or sesame for texture. This interplay of flavors is essential. Because Ugadi Pachadi represents 6 tastes, you finish by tasting and finalizing balance. If sourness dominates, add a touch more jaggery. If sweetness hides bitterness, add a tiny bit more neem or tamarind to restore contrast. Serve at room temperature so flavors bloom, garnished with reserved roasted peanuts and sesame. If things go wrong, say the mix is too bitter, make a warm jaggery syrup and add 1 teaspoon at a time. This dilutes bitterness without muting other notes. Make sure to taste after each small correction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.